Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Empower to your bank and brokerage accounts. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Empower account. Locate the dashboard where you'll find account options. Navigate to the section labeled Link Accounts. Select the option to connect bank or brokerage accounts. Choose the type of account you wish to link, either a bank account or brokerage account. For bank accounts, enter the name of your bank in the search bar. Once your bank appears, click on it to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your online banking credentials. Enter your username and password, ensuring they are correct. Follow any additional security steps, such as two-factor authentication, if required. After successfully logging in, review the permissions requested by Empower. Grant the necessary permissions to link your account. For brokerage accounts, repeat the initial steps of navigating to link accounts. Search for your brokerage firm and select it from the list. Input your account information as prompted, including any required security details. Confirm the linking process by reviewing the information you've entered. Complete the process by clicking on the Connect or Link Account button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating your accounts have been linked successfully. Check your dashboard to ensure the accounts appear under your Connected Accounts section. If you encounter any issues, consult Empower's help resources or customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.